So in this video, we're going to have a look at finding the area of this composite rectangle here. So you can see we've got two rectangles. What we're trying to find is the area of this outside section here. So we're trying to find that outside area. First step to do, probably our easiest one, is to find the area of this larger rectangle. So our dimensions here, our length is 15. So our formula is area equals length multiplied by width. Our length is 15. So we've got A equals 15 and our width is 30 multiplied by 30. So we can simplify that. A is equal to 15 multiplied by 30 is 450. So that's the first part done, so meters squared. So that's our first part done, but that's also the easiest part. So the next thing we have to do is find our dimensions for these inside lines here. So let's find this horizontal line first. So we know that the horizontal of the larger rectangle is 15 meters. And we can see here that the gap in between the larger rectangle and the smaller rectangle is 4 meters on each side. So to find this side length here, we need to let's go with length is equal to 15, because that's what we know, minus 4, and then we need to minus another 4, which means our length will be equal to 7. So 7 meters. So let's write that in here. 7 meters. So now let's try and find our width, our horizontal. So the same thing again. So we're using this value here now, our 30 meters. And let's write down here, width is equal to our 30 meters. And we've still got 4 meters on each side. So width equals 30 minus 4. And then we subtract another 4. So our width will equal 22 meters. Let's write that in here, 22 meters. So I've used the same colors for the same side lengths. So we get our length by our width. So we use the same formula here to find this area. So let's do that in different colors, like the smaller one red. So area equals length multiplied by width. And then we subtract our values in, substitute our values in. So area equals 7 multiplied by 22, which then we can simplify that. 7 by 22 is 154 meters squared. So our last step here, because we're trying to find this section here, this border section, is we need to subtract our smaller area from our larger one. So let's use our blue here. So our final area here will be A is equal to 450. Let's use the same colors here. 450. And we'll subtract 154. So our total area of that border section will be A is equal to 296 meters squared.